Hey, boys and girls, Mr. Feld, it's Friday morning, and as you know, it is Puzzle Friday. I know you guys are excited. I'll wait a couple minutes for you guys to stop cheering and celebrating. Um, it is Puzzle Friday. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. And those of you who have had me in class before know how much I like this particular puzzle. These are called magic squares. Okay, these are magic squares, and here's why they're magic. Okay, here's how you solve them, right? Excuse me. So let's look at these top two puzzles, right? This one and this one. These are 3x3 magic squares, right? So there are um, nine squares, right? So you're going to use the numbers on these, numbers 1 through 9, right? And you're going to fill in these squares, right? And here's the trick. All the rows, okay? So let's see how I want to do this. The rows, if you add up all the numbers in this row, and this row, and this row, they're going to equal 15. It's going to equal 15, right? If I add up all three columns, right, these are going to equal 15, right? And if I add up each diagonal, right, those are going to equal 15, okay? So let's do the top row. Let's see if we can do a top row here, okay? Or do one of these rows. I'll give you a starting point, right? So let's look at this first one. What I always like to do is find a row that's already got two numbers given to you, right? So if I have 9 here and 1 here, that's 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. So I know 10 plus what equals 15? Well, 10 plus 5 equals 15. Now let's make sure that works going this way as well. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So we're good there. Okay. So that's how you solve that magic square. Okay. Same thing here. These are going to equal 15, right? 15. Again, the same thing. Same thing. The sum of each row, column, and diagonal is going to be 15, right? On the 3x3s. Okay. We're going to go to the 4x4s, right? And the sum of each row, column, and diagonal is going to be 34, right? 34. So those are a little bit more difficult. And I give you one 5x5, right? A 5x5. Again, so if you have a 5x5, they're going to be 25 squares, right? So you're going to use the numbers 1 through 25. Okay. And so this one plus 14 plus 10 plus 17 is going to equal 25 and so forth, right? Once you get the hang of it, it's really pretty easy. If you are having trouble, hop onto YouTube, type in how to solve magic squares, and you'll see about 45,000 videos on how to do this. And once you get going, actually, they're really pretty fun if you like this sort of thing. I know some of you are thinking like math, fun. I've never heard of such a thing. Well, these sort of things they're challenging. It gets you thinking about math. It gets you thinking about problem solving, that sort of thing. And that's what we want today. So spend some time doing this today. I'm going to share this with you in a Google Sheet that you'll be able to open up and just enter the numbers into each square. Type the numbers into each square. If you feel more comfortable printing them off, writing them, handwriting them in, and then if you want to go back and enter them in, that's fine. Whatever you want to do is fine with me. If you have any questions about this, be sure to shoot me an email. Again, it shouldn't take any more than 15 or so minutes. Once you're done with that, if you have any missing work or any assignments that need to be completed, make sure you're spending some time doing that today. Otherwise, have a great weekend, have a great Friday, and if you need anything, let me know. Take care. Bye.